transferring directly from syringe into the tube, is there more or less likelihood of hemolyzing the blood? Less likely, because there's no resistance against that negative pressure. That syringe is free flowing. In fact, that syringe, you're going to see that plunger just move on its own because of the negative pressure of the vacutainers. Now, then why do some of our samples hemolyze when we pull directly from the vein into that vacutainer? The reason is the veins collapse. There's not enough volume, and you might feel that flutter. That flutter is the tipping point between the veins collapsing and the blood replenishing with volume. So it's like doing this. The negative pressure from the tip is causing the veins to collapse, but the blood flow, every pulsation or the blood flow filling up the vein at the tip of the catheter is opening that lumen back up. But it's like right there, so it's doing that flubber feeling and that vibration. So it's like a perfect exchange of right enough filling to open that vein back up, but then that negative pressure from the vacuum tubes, it closes it back down. So it's this constant back and forth that causes the vibration. When something like that happens, or when it's a continuous and you see nothing filling into the tubes, or it's filling in very slowly, that sustained negative pressure is going to start hemolyzing the blood more likely over time. This is why those slow flowing vacutainer blood draws have a higher likelihood of hemolysis. Because we are drawing with such high negative pressure at a sustained rate. But if there's no resistance, then there's less likelihood of that negative pressure continually applying to the blood sample.